Hi, it's Roger from outabout.uk. I thought we'd just show you a new product that's come into store and do an unboxing and unveiling and a putting together, hopefully. This is the Coleman Ultimate Terrain Wagon. So this is a beach wagon, put your beach stuff in it, go down the beach. Camping trolley, if you're in the middle of a field and you need to take your stuff to your pitch, then this is the thing. So we'll have a quick unveil of this one. So what we get in the box. So we've got a box here with all the wheels in it. Then we have our trolley. And as you can see, this is nice and compact. So it comes with a sturdy fabric case to go around it. Some Velcro straps just around the base of the trolley. Bit of cardboard around the handle. The cover also hides, I believe, the base of the trolley. So we'll put that one in a minute. Securing strap to keep it all together. And then we have some wheels to put on. Did I bring some scissors? I possibly didn't. I don't need any. So the wheels have got numbers on them. So that's a 2. This is a 1. And then on the trolley itself, don't know if you can see, we've got numbers here, 2 and 1 for the corresponding wheel. The front wheels here, just going to clip in. They've also got a brake on them. Wheel number 2. That goes in nice and easily. Again, these wheels have got numbers on them as well. So again, just double check in on position number 1, position number 2. There we go, all clipped in position. We can now turn the trolley up the other way, push down, handle unclips, base goes in. So there's your Coleman camping trolley. I've got the brakes on at the moment. There we go. Oh, now nice little couple of features about this Coleman trolley is that we've got some storage pockets on the side, so you can put your beach wares in there, and also a clipped storage pocket there. Comes with a couple of bungees as well. This is ideal for putting things like a windbreak, so I'll be back in 1 second. So we're back in the game, sorry about that. So if you're going down the beach with your beach windbreak, you can nicely just clip that onto there, and that will carry your windbreak. Windbreak's always the problematic, nobody ever wants to carry it, so that's a great little idea for doing that. So it's got nice big wide wheels for the sand, so you shouldn't be getting stuck in the sand. Takes up to about 180 kilos, so it's a nice strong trolley as well. So yeah, really like this product, and it's now for me to go off down the beach. Bye bye. So to collapse this wonderful beach trolley down again, red buttons in, folds the handles down, take out your hard bottom, pull this up, sorry. It's also got some red buttons here. That releases the wheels. So all the wheels will come off for easy storage. You can then fold this back down, get the strap out, the strap just wraps around, Velcro's in position, the hard base bit goes back into the pocket, Velcro's closed, and then you can just drop this cover back over the top, and there you've got one compact trolley and 4 wheels ready for the next time. Just don't lose the wheels. If you'd like any further information on this product, pop along to our website, which is outabout.uk. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, or pop along to any of our stores, Devon Outdoor and Camping Supplies in Barnstaple, North Devon, or the Camping and Kite Centre in Raglan, South Wales. Thanks, guys.